Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your DHL Payroll's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your DHL Payroll's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in DHL Payroll login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the login link shown on the page. You will end up on the login page of DHL Payroll's account. Enter your email address and password associated with your DHL Payroll's account and tap on Sign In. In case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Remember Me. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your DHL Payroll's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.